I am grating my potato. So I am done grating my potato right now. So it's time for me to put it in my water so that I can rinse it to remove the starch from the potatoes. So that's what I'm doing right now. I am rinsing my grated potato. So it's time for me to grate my carrots. Done. I'm chopping my spinach. I am done. Now I am chopping my red bell pepper. Now I'm cutting my onion. I'm chopping my onion. So it's time for me to remove the excess water from my grated potato, then add carrot, grated carrot, and mix well, guys. So I add my onions there. Mix. Those are my chopped red bell pepper. I then mix well as well. So I am adding my chopped spinach. So I mix. So we are almost done, guys. Those are my 3 eggs. So what I'm doing now, I'm adding those eggs in my milk. I then mix well together. I then add my black pepper, salt, then mix, guys. Mix well. Try to mix well. Time for me to add my flour, then mix. I then add my turmeric for the color. I want this color to look good, guys. So I just remove half of my vegetables so that I can mix everything together very well. So now it's time for me to add my liquid mixture in my vegetables, then mix well, and I will add the remaining vegetables there. Add my remaining liquid mixture. So I mix everything together. We are almost done, guys. That's my olive oil. Just a bit, guys. Then you mix well together. Then we are done. It's time for me to put everything in my pan. Yes, I've already oiled my pan. So it's time for me to add my vegetables in my muffin pans. These are the very best muffins, guys. Savory muffins. These are very good. So add cheddar cheese on top of those muffins, guys. The taste will be good. Then put everything in the oven. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Just look at this. Yo, it will be so good. Yay! My kitchen is smelling very good. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe.